I'm Ramya, your science teacher of Kakatiya Public School. How are you all? Yes, I am also fine here, thank you. So today I am here with another new topic. Plants, our friends. Plants, our friends. Okay, so in our surroundings, if we see in our surroundings, we can see number of plants. What we can see? Number of plants. So different kinds of plants we can see. That means very big, medium and very small. Okay, very big plants, very big, small. Okay. So, very big plants we call it as trees. We call it as trees, and their stem will be very strong and brown in color. That we call it as a branch. Sorry, that we call it as a trunk. That we call it as trunk. And it will bear number of branches. It will bear number of branches, and on that leaves will be there. Yes, that is very big trees. Which are the examples? Come on, tell me. Neem tree, peepal, mango, etc. These are big trees. Next, coming to the big trees. Big trees like we can say coconut, etc. Okay, few coconut trees, lemon trees, etc. Next coming to the another kind of trees we call it. Those are trees. Next coming to the shrubs. One group we call it as a shrubs. In this kind you can see a normal plants like our height, like my height or your height. That kind of plants you can see. For example, rose, hibiscus, cotton, etc. Okay. So, shrubs, we call it as a shrubs, and in that we can see the plants which are of medium height like your height and my height. Examples, you know, rose flowers, rose, hibiscus, cotton, etc. That is about the herbs. Next one is, that is about shrubs. Next one is herbs. Next one is herbs. These are like grass, like they will be very short, like you can take it as a mint. Pudina we say no? Mint, coriander. Next mint, coriander, spinach, etc. These will come under the herbs. They are very short and their stem will be bend. We can bend that stem easily. Shrubs also, their stem will be somewhat strong compared to the herbs. But the trees are very big, and there will be that stem we call it as a trunk, and they will bear the branches, and on the branches we can see number of leaves. This is about the different types of plants which we can see. Not where we will see the plants on the ground. We will see the plants on water. That plants we call it as a water plants. What we call? We call water plants. Like lotus, water lily, lotus, water lily, etc. are the examples of water plants. Water plants, they will have a big leaf. They will have a big leaf. That is why lotus will be floating. Lotus will be, flowers will be floating on the water. And coming to the another type of plant, cactus. Cactus, they are present in the hot regions where it is very hot. In deserts, very hot regions, these type of plants will be growing. They are like this. They are like this and they will have a thorns on them. They will be having the thorns on them. And for another plants where we can see the thorns on the rose plants also, we see the thorns. We will see the thorns on the rose plants also. And this cactus, it is growing in a hot regions where there is no water. Where there is no water, in the sand areas, these plants will be growing. Land plants, water plants, and also the plants which grows in a hot regions. This is about the different types of plants which grows in different areas. There are some other plants. There are some other plants like we call it as a climbers and creepers. Climbers. Okay, climbers, what they will have? Their stem is very weak. Their stem is weak and they cannot grow straight. They cannot grow straight, but they will take the help of any thread or anything. If we tie the thread to that plant, it will be growing with the support of that thread. You can see these kind of plants in your houses like money plant. Yes, money plant. You can see your mother is tying to that plant thread. Okay, or sticks we will be placing. With the support of that things only, these trees or these plants can be growing. Example, money plant. Next coming to the creepers. Next coming to the creepers. Creepers are nothing but their stem is very weak stem. They have very weak stem and they will be growing on the land only. They won't grow up they won't grow above. They will go on the ground only. They will be growing on the ground only like this, and they are bearing the leaves for this. Okay, so those we call it as a creepers. And examples, bottle gourd, watermelon, muskmelon, etc. Okay, what are the examples? Bottle gourd, melon, watermelon, etc. These all are the plants which grows on the ground because their stem is very weak. They can't grow up. They can't grow. They don't have any support, so they cannot grow straight. They will be falling on the ground and only they are growing. These are the different types of plants and the places where they are growing. Now we are going to see about the uses of the plants, what we get from the plants. Okay, next one is the things we get from plants. Plants will be useful in many ways to us. I told in the class of food, our food, I told that plants give food to us. Yes, plants give food to us. That means different kinds of food we will be getting from the plants as first one, fruits, vegetables. Fruits and vegetables we are getting from the plants which we are eating. Fruits like mango, banana, orange, etc. Vegetables like brinjal, okay, carrot, radish, beetroot, different types of vegetables we are eating. And in this we are eating the parts of the plant also, like stem we are eating, root we are eating, leaves we are eating, seeds and flowers also we are eating. Coming to the roots, roots we will eat like carrot, stem we will eat potato, leaves we will eat cabbage, flower we will eat cauliflower, seeds we will eat seeds like grains we will eat, cereals. Yes, different kinds of foods we are getting from the plants, like fruits and vegetables. That is about the food. Different plants giving different kinds of fruits and vegetables. Next, coming to the fibers. Fibers are nothing but the clothes which we are wearing, we are getting from the plants only. For example, like cotton is there. Cotton clothes, in summer season we will have to wear cotton. It is getting from the cotton plant. Cotton is getting from the cotton plant. Another one, jute is there. Jute we are getting from the coconut fibers. Jute trees, etc. we are getting from the plants and plants only. Okay, cotton, jute we are getting from the plants only. Next, coming to the wood. Wood. In your house you are having the dining table, cupboards, doors, windows, etc. They are made up of with what? They are made up of with wood only. Wood also we are getting from the plants only. Take wood. Take from eucalyptus. Eucalyptus tree we are getting the take wood. Sandalwood we are getting, which are used in making the toys. Sandalwood. Rosewood. Different wood are different. They will be used in making furnitures. They are used in making furnitures like chairs, tables, benches, toys, windows, etc. That is about the wood. Wood also we are getting from the plants only. That's why we should not cut the plants. Next, coming to the paper. Next, coming to the paper, rubber, gum. These three things are useful for us. For students, these three things are necessary. Paper is coming from the trees only. Bamboo tree. From the bamboo trees, we are getting the paper. They will be extracting the paper from the bamboo tree. Rubber from the juice. This rubber tree will be giving some kind of juice on the trunk. That trunk juice will be collecting and they are making this rubber. And gum also. Kikar plant will also be giving the juice which is acting as a gum, which will be using as a gum. Okay, this is about the paper, rubber and gum. Next one is medicines. We are also getting medicines. When we will take medicines? When we are not feeling well, at that time we take medicines. That medicines also we can get from a plants. Examples like tulsi. It is acting as a medicinal plant. Eucalyptus is also having the medicine values. Neem tree is also having the medicinal values. Different plants, different trees and plants are giving the medicinal values. Next, coming from the oil. So plants they are growing and they will be giving the seeds. From these seeds we are getting the oil like groundnut, sunflower, mustard, etc. And more we are getting this oil is also used in the preparation of shampoo and soap. We use to clean our body, we use soap. To wash our hair, we will use shampoo. This oil is also used in making the shampoo and soap. Okay. Next one is, this is about the oil from the seeds of a plant. Next, coming to the tea, coffee. We are getting tea and coffee also from the seeds of a tea and the coffee plant. From the tea and the coffee plant we are getting the tea and coffee powder. Okay, they will be making it as a powder. And also perfumes. We will use in different kinds of perfumes. We are using different kinds of perfumes, right? At that time, these perfumes they are having some smell. They are having some smell of what that perfumes also made of from plants only like rose, jasmine, etc. Okay, this is also from the plants only. So, as plants are useful to us in many ways, we should not cut the plants or trees. We should love our plants because plants will be cleaning the air. They will be making the air fresh. They are giving us rain. They are giving us oxygen and also they are keeping us healthy. So don't cut the plants, grow the plants, save the trees. Okay? I will be posting the pictures in the middle of the video. You can understand each and every type of plant easily. Okay? Till that time now I will be giving you the worksheet. Okay, before worksheet, how the seeds, how we are getting the new plants, from the seeds, we are getting the new plants like seeds. What we will do to get the plants? If you observe your mother while she is sowing the seeds in the soil, she will be putting the seeds in the soil and water it cover with the soil, she will water it and she will be waiting. After 3 to 4 days, you can see the small baby plant coming from the soil. That means seed needs air, water and sunlight also to grow into a new plant. Inside the seed, there is a baby plant. That baby plant need air, water, sunlight. Then only it is growing into a big plant. Okay? So now here is the worksheet. So write the two names of trees and two climbers. Two names of trees you have to write and two names of climbers. Write the names of 5 things that are made from wood. From wood, what kind of things can be made? That means we have to write. Next, how are fibers useful to us? They will be providing us a clothes, cotton clothes from the cotton plants, jute clothes from the jute plants. Okay? Next, here is a small project work I am giving as a homework. Paste different types of pictures of a plants. Variety of pictures of plants you can paste it. You can collect it from the old books of yours and you can paste it in your book, homework book, and you have to send to the madam. I will be checking it. Okay? Yes. So I hope you all understood the class. I will be pasting the pictures regarding the topic. Don't worry. You can understand it very well by seeing the pictures.